How's it going, everybody? So in this video, I am going to do a six-pack ab tip video. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. I do have Sparky with me in this video. Say hi, Sparks. She don't like that. Okay. Again, Sparky, you guys know if you've been watching my channel for a long time, you know Sparky sometimes in the videos, sometimes, okay. So my biggest tip for getting six-pack abs in this video, we're going to talk about protein intake, something that is widely controversial. You'll hear some people saying, ooh, you need this amount, you need this amount, you need this amount, you need this amount. What I want to talk about is the bare, not the bare minimum. What I want to talk about is how much protein you actually need to grow, maintain muscle, and to get six-pack abs. Because once you hit the amount of protein that you need per day, what happens is if you consume more protein than that, your body, all it does is it converts it to energy using glucosagenesis. So you may, let's say you're 180 pounds, you may only need 150 grams of protein, and you might be consuming 250 grams of protein. So that extra 100 grams of protein may literally just be being used as energy or turned into a simple sugar. So the reason why I talk about this is because a lot of people are wasting their money on protein, and on top of that, you don't actually need as much protein as you think. Don't get me wrong, you still need an adequate amount if you want to maintain your muscle, if you want to get six-pack abs. Even if you're cutting weight, you still need an adequate amount. But the reason why I say this is because protein isn't that good for energy. Like, yes, your body turns it into sugar or glucose used as energy through glucosagenesis, but that's not the best way to be getting your energy. You want to be getting the right amount of protein that you need, and then the rest you want to be getting complex carbohydrates. These are carbohydrates that are going to give you energy for a long period of time. If you're getting your energy from protein, that's not a complex carbohydrate. That's not going to give you sustained energy. That's what I've noticed when people are trying to lose weight. They're loading up on the protein, and then they're feeling hungry, they're feeling drained, they're feeling tired, they don't have any energy in the gym, but they're like, ooh, I'm getting all my protein. You might be getting all your protein, but are you getting enough carbohydrates? So very, very important. I recommend about 1 gram per pound of body weight. So if you're 180 pounds, consume 180 grams of protein. This is more than enough. You don't even need 1 gram. I just do 1 gram because it's easier for people to understand, and you're actually you're just allowing a little safe room for extra. Like some of you may be thinking, okay, he said 1 gram, I'm gonna go 1.2 or 1.3 just to be safe. No, the 1 gram is me already being safe. You only actually need 0.8 grams per pound of body weight. I'm doing 1 gram just to be safe. So that's what I recommend to do. I noticed by doing this, by consuming more carbohydrates when cutting weight and lowering my protein, I noticed that I lose weight faster. My abs start to show better, and on top of that, I get more ripped. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999.